Welcome, and thank you for joining. This is part 3 of our 4-part series on navigating Japan power options with Lacima Trader. In our last video, we covered the process of simulating Tokyo power prices to assess the market risks and optimize trading decisions. In this video, we're going to dive into how to value Japan power options, like the new monthly power option from EEX. We'll be using an example that reflects real-world Japanese power market behavior and walk through each step in the process to assess the value and risk of these and other power products, including the questions you need to answer. Please note, this example is for illustrative purposes only and does not constitute a trading recommendation. While we have taken care in preparing this example, we cannot guarantee the accuracy of all data. Let's get started with calculating the value of the new EEX Japan Power Monthly option. It's an Asian option with a European-style exercise, and we can value it using Lacima Trader Pricer, which calculates values and risk sensitivities for a wide range of commonly traded instruments like this one. To begin, we first need to input the forward prices, start and end date, strike price, and whether it's a put or a call. Lacima Trader will then calculate implied volatility from price, or the price from implied volatility. Using Lacima Trader, we can convert a price surface into an implied volatility surface, otherwise known as a vol surface. A vol surface is important because it offers deeper insights than price alone and provides a standardized way to compare options. Here we have plotted the vol surface on the right, as volatility versus moneyness across each maturity. The moneyness is the option strike divided by the forward price, and provides a more consistent way of comparing options with varying forward prices. You may note that the implied volatility for the front month, February, goes to 0 when the strike goes too far above the forward price, to the point where the option has no value and is not expected to be traded. We have a price of 0.001, as that is the minimum EEX allows. We can also look at the vol surface in 2D. This is particularly useful if we want to compare the curves for individual maturities against each other. For example here, it's much more obvious in 2D that the March curve is much more pronounced than all of the others. Accurate analysis is key to managing risk and making informed trading decisions in the Japanese power market. By generating forward curves, simulating price movements, and valuing complex instruments like the EEX Japan Power Monthly options, you can appropriately assess the risks and opportunities of different strategies, optimize your trading decisions, and manage existing positions. Lacima Trader makes this analysis both efficient and insightful. That's it for part 3 of our series, Valuing Japan Power Options. If you have any questions about this content, or how Lacima Trader Pricer can support your specific portfolio needs, please reach out to the team using the details shown on screen. Otherwise, join us next week for part 4, Portfolio Valuation and Risk Analysis. See you then.